Hi guys, welcome to my channel. No intro, no outro, so yeah, I'm still working on that. And yeah, anyway, so in today's look, we're going to be doing the glossy lid that you've seen in the beginning of the video. And right now, I'm just cleaning my eyebrows, though I'm not going to do them right now. Just cleaning them. Clean them up with concealer, and the beginning of my eyebrow is only foundation, so gives more of a highlight towards the end of the brow. Next, I'm doing the concealer and just concealing the high points of my face. That's inner corner of my eye, outer corner of my eye, chin, the top of my lip, and I'm using the Ashes matte concealer. Sauti yangu inapotea, niko na homa. I have a cold, so excuse me for that. After blending is okay. That's going to be fixed, so just trust the process. I'm using liquid blush, and using liquid blush underneath the foundation, it gives it like a natural look, like you just blushing. The girls that get it, the girls that don't. So yeah. Oh, it's the H&M Creamy Lip Melt. That's what I'm using for my blush. Next is foundation. I'm using the Ashes BB Cream foundation and just placing it everywhere. And remember, little goes a long way, so that's like always my number one rule. Little goes a long way, and I don't want to look cakey with my makeup on. No one wants a cakey face. So yeah, blend. So what I'm blending right now is concealer. That's a different one than the one I was using before. It's the Ashes concealer, but a super bright one. And it's also the same thing that I'm using under my eye, just to give it a brightening look, just on my nose and under my eye. Next is contour, and I'm using the H&M foundation in the shade Cacao, I guess. If that's not it, I'm going to place the name on my screen and the description box. Next, setting my face using the Ashes contour palette. It's this whole palette with different shades of powder, so I'm using the bright one from the palette, and that's going to be the same palette that I use for contouring. Then now to set my whole face, I'm using the Fit Me powder from Maybelline 330 Toffee, just for the whole face. For the contour powder, I'm using the Ashes contour palette again. For the forehead, cheekbones, nose, and the jawline. I'm using the blush from the Ashes eyeshadow palette. Nothing too serious. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Then to set my face, I'm using the Ads makeup fixer to set my whole face, and this is the point where I hit my face and I have a scar. You're going to see it. Now for the eyes, which is like the main thing in this video, I'm just going to blend it a bit No added product, no concealer, no eyeshadow primer, just blending the bit of concealer that went on there when I was blending it before. Then I'm going to add some color, because just the gloss alone on the eye, it wouldn't look okay. So a bit of color won't hurt. Now for the eyebrows, I'm using a dark brown eyebrow pencil to make it look like I have eyebrows, which I do. This time I didn't shave them off. Now for mascara, I'm using the Ads waterproof mascara, and I also did my eyeliner off camera. If you guys have been watching my videos for the longest time, you know I never do my eyeliner on camera, but I'm using the H&M waterproof eyeliner because I want it to stay, no movement. Now for the tricky part. I'm saying tricky because I've never done or tried out a glossy look, so it was hard because I was trying to avoid my lash line, the lashes, the eyeliner, trying to avoid all that because it would have been messy. Just placed it at the back of my hand and used an eyeshadow brush to place it on my lid. So for the gloss, since I can't remember the one that I used, you can use any that you have as long as it's not too runny and not too thick. And I was sitting in every position not to mess up my lashes, which I also did off camera. And yeah, they're the simplest lashes you can ever find because I didn't want a busy eye, like too much is going on that eyelid. So that's the reason. So for my lips, I'm using the Cocoa Butter Lip Balm from Himalaya Herbals, then lining my lips with a brown pencil. And I went off camera trying to mix out colors that are going to kind of match my eyelid. And I used one from Huda Beauty matte lipstick. And yeah, that's it.
Who loves me? You do. And I felt like I keep all this running back. Let them know, let them know, let them know I won't smoke. I care. Apply the pressure, pressure, pressure. Make me come through with the pressure, pressure, pressure. Keep you in line like yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Make you come through with the pressure, pressure, pressure. Up and down like a yo-yo, I could do it in slow